Money Talks is brought to you by the Heritage Family Credit Union. Your community, your credit union.
Protecting your identity from online hackers is nearly impossible these days. With that being said, there are avenues you can take to keep a close eye on your accounts and information in case a red flag needs to be thrown.
If you notice that there's activity on your debit card or your credit card that's not yours, you want to contact the bank, the credit union, or the credit card company right away so that they can start that process of investigation.
In some cases, if the fraudulent activity is great, the bank or credit union will contact police right away, a measure you may want to take regardless of how much money is in jeopardy.
Depending on the scale, how much money it is, your bank or credit union may file a claim and reverse those charges right away after they've done some internal investigation. They certainly may contact the credit bureaus on your report and put a flag on there. And then what's going to happen is for 90 days or a year, depending on how long the flag is, every time somebody tried to access your credit, they're going to contact you. So it's just some extra steps to make sure that, that fraudulent activity doesn't follow you down the line.
If you've shopped at the major retailers hit hard by data breaches, Carrie suggests extra vigilance on all your personal accounts to err on the side of caution.
We all hear about some of those major retail data breaches that have happened, particularly over the last year. We'll use Home Depot or Target as an example of those. And what may happen if you've been a customer at the retailer in that time period of the data breach, then you may have received a letter from the retailer, but you also may have received a letter from your credit card company or your bank or credit union saying your data was possibly part of that breach. What that does not mean is that for sure your credit card number is out there being used. It doesn't mean that. It just means, hey, we want you to know that you shopped during that time period that was part of the breach. And so what we're doing is warning you that we want you to be extra careful. We really want you to be monitoring your statements for fraudulent activity.